Hey guys, my name is Jessica and today let's make some slime. I just started with this and let's put some glue. Done. Let's use this paintbrush and put some pink. Because you know, guys, I like pink. One of these, look, and then mix it with pink slime. That's it. And the kind of what it's turning into pink, I guess. I'm still in my uniform because I just got home, so let's some more glue. Also, but I just want to add some more. That's what activators. Not too much, guys. If too much, the slime will be ugly. It cannot work now. Mixing in the slime, mixing in the top. She's so pretty. Then this one is messed up. This is not supposed to be. It's oops. Be back in the video will stop. Because I'm sorry, but I stopped because my slime was so long. So first I made another one. Look guys, so big now. I cannot even see. I can never see you guys. Can you see me, guys? I don't know. My dad used to be my aunt. Let's try to bubble them, but if it's too small, if it still works, I guess. Just kidding, guys. Here's some other quick view. This is the slime I was doing, so so let's make the bubble bath. The bubble test was not too much thing, so let's just try it. I hope it works. If not, I'm ruined. And don't like the video, please guys. Of course, like the video if you want it. I can still do it. I cannot do it, guys, because this is too small. I want 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So making this. So I hope you guys enjoy and see you next time. See you guys next time. Oh man, what do I? Oh. Bye. Bye bye.